The next best things in crypto, DEXs and dApps. Now, there are all kinds of wonderful things that are coming up in the world of blockchain. Cryptocurrencies represent a whole new paradigm for transacting, for business, for carrying out many of our day-to-day affairs in a way that's fully decentralized, peer-to-peer, and trustless. And there's all kinds of wonderful next best things. And I'm actually not saying that this is the next best thing, but this is the next best thing, and so is this the next best thing, and so is this the next best thing. And in this video, I'm going to be looking at DEXs and dApps in particular relationship to a very smart, under-the-radar cryptocurrency project. Hi everybody, this is Crypto Rich, working with you to get rich with crypto, filling our pockets with crypto profits. This video, I'm going to be talking about DEXs and one DEX in particular that resolves many of the problems that plagues current DEXs. And I'm going to be talking about dApps that are also connected to this particular very clever and innovative blockchain project. First, what are dApps? Well, dApps is a short version for decentralized applications. And a DEX, a decentralized exchange, is a type of dApp. But there are also other dApps, like many of the DeFi decentralized applications that people know and that they use on the Ethereum blockchain. You can also have gaming dApps and gambling dApps and social dApps and utility dApps, all sorts of dApps, whatever a human being's mind can come up with, and that can be programmed onto a blockchain, you can have that sort of dApp. Now, what a dApp requires is programmable money. Now, the most well-known type of programmable cryptocurrency is Ethereum. Now, not only is Ethereum a means of value exchange, it can also be programmed with particular sets of instructions. And that's what gives rise to all the projects that are running on the Ethereum network and use ERC20 tokens for transacting on that network. High performance blockchain, HPB, launched in 2017. Now, compared to Ethereum, HPB, high performance blockchain, can do 5,000 transactions per second. It uses a particular performance chip called the blockchain offload engine, which works like a slingshot, pew, to send transactions much faster, much quicker than happens on the Ethereum blockchain. And they're much, much cheaper. So transactions on the HPB blockchain are, I think, fractions of a penny compared to Ethereum's $17 current average, and likely to go up as there's more and more congestion on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, Ethereum, like I said, you code with Solidity. HPB uses all sorts of languages to program. HPB supports multiple languages, and it provides software development kits, SDKs, that support multiple programming languages, including Java, JavaScript, Unity, .NET, Ruby, and Python, none of which I personally understand. But for a coder who wants to build a dApp, it means they don't have to learn Solidity. If they already know Java, they can use Java to build a dApp. But not only that, with HPB, you can get financial support. Now, if you've got an idea for a dApp that you want to build, you can apply for funding. And I'll go through it here, and I'll link to this in the description below. So High Performance Blockchain welcomes proposals from community members and developers, and the management committee meet during the first half of each month to discuss new proposals. You make the proposal on gotoken.io, you sign up, and then you sign in, and then you click here to start making the proposal. So this way, you get funding for your decentralized application, provided your proposal is accepted and qualified. And then you can launch your tokens on the HPB blockchain with much faster transaction times and much lower transaction costs. And then what you can do is those tokens can be transacted on HPB's mainnet and can be transacted on their new DEX. So I started with dApps, and now we're talking about DEX. Now, on 30th of December 2020, the alpha version of My Trade, which is the HPB DEX, was released. And after rigorous product development and small-scale invited community user testing, they've now made it open to the whole HPB community. This is the first decentralized exchange in the HPB dApp ecosystem. Now, HPB mainnet is different from most DEXs. Most DEXs either use an order book like Fork Delta for trading ERC20 tokens, or they have automated market makers which provide liquidity like Uniswap or SushiSwap. After comparing and analyzing the existing order book and liquidity pool decentralized exchanges, the My Trade team innovatively combines the advantages of the two by integrating order book and automated market maker exchange mechanism. Now, this means that they're able to provide high performance matching in liquidity, as well as a simple and user-friendly experience. Now, the My Trade team chose the HPB mainnet to launch this DEX because the algorithms are really, really expensive. And if they'd done it on Ethereum, Ethereum's high transaction fees and network congestion issues would have hindered the development and the usage of the My Trade DEX. Now, bearing in mind that this is a very new DEX, it doesn't have the liquidity associated with some of the more established DEXs. It does have lower transaction costs and much faster transaction times, but it also has another advantage. See, although HPB runs on its own blockchain, this DEX allows people to transact in their ERC20 tokens. So if I wanted to use this DEX, what I can do is I would connect to MetaMask. I could use my existing MetaMask, use the 12 seed phrase to create a MetaMask account here. I would send my ERC20 tokens from MetaMask to My Trade. They'd get converted to HRC20 equivalents, and then I would trade in the HRC20 equivalents and then send them back and then convert them back to ERC20 tokens, which would show up in my MetaMask wallet. So this means that I'd be able to do ERC20 trades much, much lower costs than if I were to do them on the Ethereum network through Uniswap or Fork Delta or some other decentralized exchange. So here's a faster DEX that will trade in HRC20 tokens, which are tokens that will be built on the HPB blockchain. It's a much, much cheaper DEX. It will also allow me to trade in ERC20 tokens, so Ethereum-based tokens and HPB-based tokens. So it has that sort of versatility that's not apparent with the other ones. And then the other exciting thing, if you've seen my other video about the other next best thing in crypto, which are NFTs, I'll be able to trade in Ethereum-based NFTs, and I'll be able to trade in NFTs that have been built on the HPB blockchain. And that addresses a lot of the congestion issues that's plaguing the Ethereum network and is only going to get worse until Ethereum 2.0 comes in about 2 years' time. Now, if you are a developer or you've got an idea for a project, then I invite you to check out HPB. If you hold ERC20 tokens, I invite you to check out HPB. If you are interested in HPB in any way whatsoever, check it out. Do your own due diligence. Go join the Telegram group. If you do join the Telegram group, go say hi to Gordon. He's one of the team members there. He's incredibly knowledgeable about HPB and very, very helpful. And Gordon, thank you so much for all the support you've given me in this. And now, between now and when I see you next, please keep filling your pockets with crypto profits. This is Crypto Rich signing out. All the best. Bye-bye. Get yourself a good quality hardware wallet. I recommend the EliPal wallet. Discount with the link in the description below.